take a break from the life and just go a little bit to travel, then you will see what will happen. This Taarof,
Yeah.
it's hard to understand because even though I like it, but sometimes it can be confusing in the way. So 7 days is my normal period. 10 days I did only once. Salam, salam, Ruby. I'm Alen. Today I'm your host. Today we will be cooking like Croatian style grandmother food without the meat. We have a big oven which I will use after maybe 2 years not having a oven. So I'm really happy just to to do it.
Okay, let's try. We have to buy some ingredients, yeah?
Yeah, like mushroom, like half kilo mushroom, and this cheese in triangle. That's it. And we have all the vegetables here.
Nice.
It will be vegetarian food.
Oh, magic mushroom? You're gonna buy magic
No, the white one.
The white one?
Yeah, champignon, I don't know English name. But yeah, I'm traveling for more than 9 years now. And living in my van, traveling with the van. Let's say I visit more than 13 countries, between 30 and 40. Traveling changed my life, Like it's open you, you see the other culture, other knowledge, other experience. I would suggest to everybody to travel. Hello! So we are back from the shopping. We have an apple juice. And we are going to plant some trees.
Only healthy things.
Yeah.
Yeah, see you.
Nushijam.
What are you cooking, bro?
I don't know. We call it jumburush.
Jumburush.
When you don't know what you're cooking, you just mix everything and try to do it eatable. Yeah, it's like a joke, like just mix everything.
And we have everything.
So when I started travel, first I've gone to visit Europe country, and then Scandinavia, and then Balkan. But then somehow I end up in Iran because it was easy to get visa in Georgia. I was planning to come for 1 month, but I stay 6 months. Yeah. I like so much that I come home, I close my company, and I travel again because I wanted to see if there is another people like Iranian people. And for me, that was the most beautiful experience because it was like me, open, kind, and I start to travel. So yeah, Iran for me is the best country of all of that I visit. And Pakistan is also good. Please go and visit Pakistan. I think this everything very strong.
Ve cheese beginning.
Indian pepper.
Olive oil.
Yeah,
Because
it will
we
be
had
better,
one.
but this is also good. Eating with the hands, it's more tasty than eating with the spoons. It's like a childhood, when we were a child. I think potato. We need more potato.
Dividing so fair.
Yeah, we need more stuff. Ah, it's a gas oven. Nice.
Don't.
Don't.
Which one is mine?
Which one is our? I will eat everything. I think my family. I mean, this Taarof,
Yeah.
it's hard to understand because even though I like it, but sometimes it can be confusing in the way that you don't know if, you think it's a friend who is giving you, and in our country, when we are friends, I'm thinking you are giving me, but there is a still small amount of Taarof which, I cannot feel. And if you stay a long time with this friend, he will be tired of you because he's making please you, And it's a still small amount of Taarof,
Yeah.
Something like this. And this is very hard to understand. When is the limit? When is the Taarof? When it's not? Because, yeah, after a while, I think, okay, we are friends. We are telling everything,
Do you consider Taarof as a disease? for our culture?
I don't know. I like Taarof. You know, I like more like when you're paying something and somebody is telling you you don't need to pay. You know, this kind of energy. It's not like give me money. You know, you need to pay for this. Like this is more bad energy. You know, you give money to somebody and he's like, you know, oh, go, bye bye. It's better to have this kind of. It's more polite. Yeah. But I think it's changing. Like 9 years ago, Taarof was more present than today. You know, 9 years it was everywhere, and longer and more deeper.
I've been in the west part of Iran, and when people say, "Okay, come to stay with us," "Okay, come to eat with us," they really mean it. You know, there is no Taarof. And I think there is a kind of original version of Taarof, which you will find in village, in far part of city, you know.
Yeah.
So it is a kind of pretending to be hospitable.
Yeah.
It could be disease, you know.
Yeah, it could be like a small lie, you know, like.
Yeah.
But for example, Balochistan, it's like pure, honest giving. This is how I experience in Baluchi region, especially in the village. They're just like, why, you know, you must be here, you know, they will take you home. We need 10 more minutes. This one is good. Third time. You know, this is like a professional cooking. It's like a 5 million toman. One. Wow.
Oh, now it's good.
Yeah, now it's how it should be. Let's close this one.
Three, two, one.
Oh, la la la, good colors.
It's ready.
One plate, completely different taste. Chicken plate.
This is my favorite.
I do everything now. Yum yum yum.
Okay.
4. So 7 days is my normal period. 10 days I did only once. Because it's not easy, you know. Actually, you are not hungry, but your brain is hungry. So the problem is after 3 or 4 days, your body is not hungry anymore. You don't need to eat, but your brain is hungry. You see the picture all the time. You see the food. You just.
Is it kind of addiction?
For what?
Addiction to food?
No, it's just like take your body to the keto stage, you know, to the surviving mode. So you don't have food after 3 days. Your body is like, okay, I don't have food. What to do? Let's burn our reserve, you know, fat and stuff that we have. Our body is always preparing for this. So in this fat, all the toxin is accumulated, you know. And when you do water fasting, you burn those toxins. Look, so in your fat, this is the most energetic food you can eat in your life. Your fat is full of energy for your body. You know, your body is preparing for surviving mode. If there is no food, it will eat your fat. And in this fat, it's everything you need. Of proteins, everything, also those toxins that you smoke, you know, this year, that you drink, that you have bad thoughts, everything is in your fat. And when you do water fasting, you're burning this. And actually, when you do water fasting, you become ill, like 5 minutes ill, like you can shake, or 1 hour ill, like with temperature, and then goes out because you have layers of this, you know, like, or you were doing 1 month bad stuff, 2 months good stuff, like you, one time you drink a lot, very bad stuff, so it's burning by, you can feel it. But after you burn this fat, you know, you are clean. You don't have it anymore. And it calls keto stage. So when your body burns fat, in this moment you stop being hungry. You are never hungry after 3 days. You will not be hungry for, it depends how much fat you have.
I had several times, 3 days.
3 days, it's not enough to start.
I mean, you feel it. It happens like this. You know, 3 days you are waiting, you are like this, you are hungry, you are not motivated, and then it happens like this. Hasta la vista, baby.
So you are going to bus station.
I was going to the bus station, Tehran, and then Turkey. Take a break from the life and just go a little bit to travel, then you will see what will happen.